Hey Jenny, do you get along well with your family?
Well, my relationship with my parents is solid. But, honestly, my sister and I sometimes clash. We're quite different in many ways.
I see.
How about you? Do you feel like you connect well with your family?
Well, I have a great relationship with my parents too. I have some disagreements with my siblings, but we always manage to work things out. Family is important, right?
Yeah, siblings can be like that, but it's great that you get along with them. Family is everything.
I agree with you, Jenny.
What about the rest of the family? Do you enjoy spending time with your aunts, uncles, and cousins?
I do, for the most part. My cousins are fun to be around, and family gatherings are usually enjoyable. How about you?
I have some relatives I really connect with, especially at family reunions. But there are a few distant cousins that I don't know very well.
It's interesting how family dynamics can be so diverse, isn't it?
Absolutely. I think it's essential to have close bonds within the family to rely on.
Thank you for watching. If you found the content of this video useful, please leave your like, and write your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss the next videos.